In this video, we'll go over audius. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, audius to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is audius? Audius is a decentralized music streaming protocol initially built on PoA network, but now living on Solana. Audius was launched to remedy the inefficiencies of the music industry, which is plagued by intransparent music rights ownership and intermediaries standing between artists and their audience. Audius aims to align the interests of artists, fans, and node operators through its platform powered by its native audio token. Artists can upload music, stored and distributed by content and discovery nodes, that fans can listen to for free. Currently, audius rewards content creators through rewards like featuring in the weekly trending lists. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The audius ecosystem consists of 4 main participants: artists, fans, content nodes, and discovery nodes. Artists publish content on the audius content ledger. They can do so at no cost, and music is streamed at 320 kbps, comparable to standards of Spotify and Google Play Music. Because of audius' decentralized nature, there is no copyright protection, although the protocol is working on an arbitration system that will be overlooked by the community. Artists can use audius to experiment or share bonus tracks, and the platform plans to include artist tokens to facilitate monetization, subject to artists staking audio. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 78 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.